Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a few little tricks and I guess hacks to get cool items in the game Animal Jam. For example, this color changing potion that is very cool and I personally love rainbow, so let's get into it. Okay, so first you want to go to the Brady Bars chemistry set. Click the red one 3 times, green one 3 times, and the blue one 3 times. Okay. Click the little burner 3 times. Click the switches 1, 2, 3, and then you click the center bottle, and as you can see, it overflows everything, and you are left with the cool color changing potion. Oh my gosh, this place is packed. Okay, so the next one. You go to the summer carnival. Choose the blue cone. Get blue cotton candy, get all that. So the pattern to get a rainbow cotton candy is blue, then you want to do yellow, get all that. And then for the final color you want to do pink. And right now it does not look very good, it kind of just looks like an Easter cream puff or whatever. But then you get a cool rainbow cotton candy cone. And sorry to cut myself off so abruptly there. So you want to choose the star cone. And then you want to choose the black cotton candy. I don't know why it's in boxes. That makes absolutely no sense. Then the white cotton candy. Get all that, which looks like mashed potatoes. Please, I don't know. And then black again. And personally, it looks like an Oreo to me, or like a ice cream sandwich, Oreo sandwich. And then you get a cool phantom with a crown one. And also, if you just want a plain phantom, you can do the exact same thing. Just don't choose the yellow cone and just do the white cone. So next one, choose the heart cone. I'm sure you can probably guess what this one's going to be. And pink. It's kind of obvious. I don't know if any of you didn't know this, but if you ever wonder, how do people get these such cool cotton candies? These are the ways. And then you get that cool little heart cone, which is really cute. I'm sure that tons of you know this one, but so if you go in Mount Chevere where I am and go on the ice, it will crack. I'm sure tons of you know it and you can see it cracking a bunch. I've heard that it opens up a passage or something. I have seen, like, I might be exaggerating, but like hundreds of people on here, and it doesn't open a passage. And I feel like if it did, we would maybe fall and like it'd crack and all of us would end up in deep blue or something. But anyway, and the second one, if you go to, where is it, Coral Canyons, and I've heard this one, I've seen it actually happen, but I don't know exactly what happens. Maybe you fall into the Serapia Forest, which is up there. If you stand up here, and if you have enough people, which there are like no people up here right now, this little arch will crack and fall down. I will show you, and there's not enough people up here right now. I guess I'd have to get some of my buddies up here, but it might happen because I've seen some people getting it like halfway, like almost gone. So that is a second. Oh, a bird! What is? No, come back, bird, come back. What is that? It's a cardinal. Okay.